How were steam boiler explosions prevented? Imagine a time when steam boilers powered factories, ships, and trains, but a sudden explosion could cause devastating injuries and damage. How did engineers stop such disasters from happening? Let's uncover the methods that made steam power safer and more reliable. Early boiler explosions often happened because of weak spots in the metal, corrosion, or excessive pressure building up inside. Engineers realized they needed stronger construction techniques. They replaced weak lap joints with butt joints, which provided better strength and reduced the chance of failure. Regular inspections became standard practice to spot corrosion or metal fatigue before they caused a problem. One of the most important safety devices was the safety valve. These valves automatically released steam when pressure got too high. The first safety valves were spring-loaded, but later designs, like those created by John Ramsbottom, were made tamper-proof and more reliable. These valves prevented dangerous pressure levels from building up, which was a major cause of explosions. Managing water levels inside the boiler was also critical. If the water level dropped too low, the firebox could overheat or collapse, leading to an explosion. Operators learned to keep water at the right level, and new devices helped monitor this automatically. Training workers to check water levels and operate the controls properly became part of safety routines. In addition to technical improvements, official inspection and certification systems played a big role. Organizations like the North German DUV and later the TÜV in Germany regularly inspected boilers and enforced safety standards. In the United States, the American Society of Mechanical Engineers created the Boiler Code in 1915, which set strict rules for boiler design, construction, and maintenance. These standards made sure everyone followed safe practices. Governments also stepped in with regulations requiring periodic inspections and certifications. These laws made sure boilers were safe to operate and kept accidents to a minimum. Combining better engineering, safety devices, operator training, and legal oversight turned steam boilers from dangerous machines into safer tools for industry. In the context of the Industrial Revolution and the rise of steam power, these safety measures were essential. They allowed factories, trains, and ships to run more reliably and safely. Preventing boiler explosions was a team effort involving engineers, regulators, and workers, all working together to keep steam power a safe and vital part of progress.